Hi everyone, here we are at Damp Fixer HQ. What I'd like to say is how well we're doing. We've had near enough 9 million seconds of viewing, which accounts to near enough a million minutes. We've got 9,000 people who are following us now. We're getting a lot of companies who've started to change their ways of how they've approached damp. I can see influencers changing their methods. All the DIY people are having a look at it. There's a lot of interest in how we're doing it. It's not been seen before. You're the first people to know, to spread the word. We need to get more influence into housing trusts, council workers and landlords and tenants to make aware that this is an easy thing to fix. From there, we've got to go on to the mortgage valuation people who are getting in damp companies, advising them to use chemicals, and the first time buyers are getting absolutely rinsed every time because they are just thinking that the knowledge that they're given is from a professional and it's correct when it's not. Damp and condensation is easy to fix. Why should it be hidden away from people? Use proper professionals, opening up of the works, take the skirtings off, see what the problem is. Don't let a damp salesman sell you something because he doesn't know either. Thank you, keep the good work up.